other auditors are. Okay? So this is Jane. Jane is the group publisher and MD of QQnet. Okay? Mr. Ryan Choi is fileforum.com Managing Director, and Mr. Philip Measley is actually Hewlett-Packard Asia Pacific SMB Solutions Manager. Okay? So you have 10 plus 5 minutes, 10 minutes to present, 5 minutes the judges will ask you Q&A. A little bit of leeway is fine, so but I will cut you, I'll be the participant. Okay, start now. Thank you. Oh, okay, no problem. Sorry, I need to clarify that the MD is CR Media. Better correct it. Yeah.
Sorry, we need a
Sure.
Good morning, judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ziyang, and these are my teammates, Alvin, Aaron, and Carlis. So we will present it to you our solution, the Intelligent Green Bond. So, HP Total Care Challenge was launched to encourage companies to harness the power of technology and transforming their businesses for the next level of success. Therefore, we introduce our solution to you, the Intelligent Green Bond, and we will be using IGB as a short form to describe it. So, a few years back, Singapore has decided to merge all the parks together to form one, and in the meanwhile, more wooden and metal signboards were needed to be created. So therefore, we need a new solution to save resources. So the agendas for today are survey results, which I will be presenting to you. Proposed solution will be presented by Alvin, and cost analysis will be presented by Aaron, and lastly, benefits, competitive advantages and conclusion will be presented by Carlis. So survey results were conducted for 5 days, and 60 people have responded. These two questions is trying to ask about the current and the proposed solution, and the results shows favor to our proposed solution. Okay, for these questions, we will try to ask where should we actually place the solution at a particular place of the park. So we have asked whether would they want to buy the product straight away through a SMS system, or would they want to buy it at the end of the trail, or else if they want to buy at other shops. And 41.7% shows that people would want to buy the product at the end of the trail. So as for this, it shows some of the various options to see what type of usage would people want to see from our new solution. So as for summary survey results, it shows, as for the survey results, it shows favor to our new solution, and therefore it strengthens our belief that the Intelligent Green Bond, IGB, will work. So therefore, I will now pass on to Alvin to say more about the proposed solution. Alvin.
Thank you, Siya. So first, take a look at the current signboards. Because we are now using the IGM, which is our Intelligent Green Board itself, to replace the current signboard. So for this coming slide, right, we will talk about, take a look at the current signboards and all the advantage and disadvantage of the signboard itself. So the picture that you see, these are the current signboards in the parks itself, and mostly like in the bird park itself. These are all the metal signboards that you see. Words are engraved on the board itself. So let's take a look at the advantages. For this signboard itself, right, it's durable, and there's no maintenance cost, and lastly, it's low cost. So now take a look at the disadvantages of all this. There's static information, whereby there's only a minimum amount of words can be placed inside this board itself. And second point is, it's not interactive enough. Third, sharp edges might cause injury. The last one, it's not customizable. So for the next slide, since we are changing the current signboards to IGM, we are using technology enable. Thus, we intend to use the HP products, which is the HP Touch Smart IQ 500, and to replace the current signboard to a digital device using a touchscreen panel. This is the current HP product is producing, the HQ Touch Smart IQ 500, which has a sleek new design, combines a 22 or 25.5 widescreen. The most very important thing is that because why we are using this touch panel itself, because it creates a new level of fun for the user. So now take a look at our proposed solution. The coming slide we will be talking about some of the features changing in the current HP products that we will be using, the IQ 500. So for the first feature, is the plant features and description. Can you see it from the screen itself, right? On the below list, this is the first list, whereby you this system will be used by touchscreen itself. So upon touching the screen itself, right, the picture was shown up, and as I said, current slide is not less interactive. With this, you attract more viewers, and it's clearer view, and there's more words that we can put inside this system itself. The second one will be the volume in and out, and zoom in and out, which has a built-in system in this HP touch panel itself, where you can increase the volume, or if it's not clear enough, right, you can zoom in, have a clearer view for it. The last one on the right side will be the advertisement. For the company, for example, we're using a HP Touch Smart. This is for advertising. The next slide itself is a photo gallery. As we know, the photo gallery will attract more viewers to attract their attention. So for this slide itself, right, is a picture of the plant itself, and using fingertips, right, you just press the arrow buttons, right, the next slide of the picture was shown like this. The last one is a park map and navigation. As referring to what my teammate Ziyang had gone through, right, regarding the survey itself. A lot of respondents, they want to know more about the maps, directions, everything. So we include this inside our proposal as one of the features. This is a map in the measure sheet itself. For example, if I want to have a better close location of this area, as in you point on this, the next slide you will zoom in to show the exact location. So these are some of the features that we have in the IQ Touch Smart. As for the cost analysis, I'll pass it to Aaron to tell you more about it.
Well, for the cost analysis, alright, these are the proposed areas to install the IGB. We have came up with 5 designated areas to install. According to what my teammate has said, all visitors, right, will aim for looking at the end of the part or the start of the part to purchase the items. So we have set 3 designated points at the start and the end of the MacRitchie Trail, and also 2 more at the rest points around MacRitchie Trails also. And all of these points, right, will be in pavilion. It's much effective, and then still got, when people is resting, right, they can play with the thing. Okay, these are the costs for the proposed solution. Since we are using 5 units of the IP Touch Smart IQ 500, and it has a unit cost of 3,000, so we will take a total of 15,000. And the infrastructure layout, those cablings and wiring will be cost in 1 pack at a unit cost of 10,000. And also the digital content development is a unit cost of 5,000 for the 1 pack. So in total estimated cost is the $30,000. So how do we recoup back what we have cost over here? Since running events have been held in Singapore annually, and a lot has been coming up, like the recent